Morning, this is Derek from the Kids S.A.F.E Foundation. I'm coming here from the range today and I'm just getting set up, and I kind of want to walk you through, what it looks like when we set up for a range class here. And so we have two classes today. We're going to do our teen rifle class at 1 o'clock, and then we also have our Kids Firearm Safety 2 starting at 10 a.m. And so, there's a process that we go through to make sure that everything is safe and ready for the kids when they do show up with the families. And so I'll kind of walk you through that process. In the rack, you'll notice every rifle has a chamber flag in it. And so as soon as that rifle comes out of the rifle case, we check the chamber, we make sure the gun's unsafe, we fold up the sights so they're ready to go, and then we put a chamber flag in. We also install the bipods on there, and then we put it in the rack. And so that rifle is now ready for the kids to take possession of. And so when they take possession of this, that's what creates ownership for those 2 hours. And so, for these 2 hours when they're in class, it's their responsibility to treat that rifle with respect, know the condition of that rifle at all times, and also make sure that you're listening to our instruction at all time. And so what I'm doing now is I'm walking down to the separate area where we store our ammunition. And so, obviously this is the special box that we keep our ammo in. And so this area is kept completely separate of where the rifles are. And so there's no ammunition anywhere near the rifles until it's time and we've given that command to load and make ready. So everything is really, really structured, really, really disciplined. And so that's how we ensure the safety of the kids and everybody that's here on the range with us. And so the parents are part of this process as well. So it's a really, really fun, learning experience for all of them.
These are our favorite targets to use. These are the Birchwood Casey shoot and see targets. What we love about these is the kids can see their hits on the target. Also, you get enough holes in them, then the kids can come down and they can peel the stickers off and paste them up so they look brand new. And so we're able to reuse the targets. Also, the kids get to take them home at the end of the class. So it's a great little tool that we use to make sure we engage with the kids.